Making area models with different sides. So we're going to make 3 different models that represent an area of 12 but has different sides. I know that area is length times width. So if my area of something is 12, I want to pick 2 numbers that when multiplied together can give me 12. I can start out easy. I know that 1 times 12 is 12. So I could have one rectangle that has a side of 1 and a side of 12. But I need 3. So now I need 2 different numbers that give me 12 when multiplied together. And so I know that 12 is an even number, so I can use 2 to do this. I know that 2 times something. If I count by 2 until I get to 12, I can figure it out. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Those are 6 marks, so I know 2 times 6 is 12. And now I need 1 more. My job is to take and see if 3 will work. And so one of the things that you can do to help yourself, you can make 12 of something and then make groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. That does work. And a matter of fact, in using this array, I have 3 columns and 4 rows. 3 times 4 is 12. So there are my 3 rectangles, and now my job is just to draw them. So I am going to use tape diagram that kind of gives me this. Here's my 1 row, and now I'm going to make sure I have 12 columns. So let's see, I know. So here's my 12 columns. So this is my 1 by 12. So that's 1 rectangle. Now I know I need to have 2 columns. I'm going to make it just a little bit wider now. And I know I'm going to have 2. So here's 2 rows and 6 columns. There's my rectangle. And then this last one, I know it's going to be thicker still. And so I know I need 3 rows this time. And I know I need 4 columns. I'm going to use 3 lines to make the 4 columns. So here are my 3 different rectangles. All have an area of 12. If you count, there are 12 squares in each of them, but they all have different sides. And so that's what you're expected to do. That's making area models with different sides.